Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between 360 lens and single lens on your GoPro MAX2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your GoPro MAX2 and you don't want to film in 360. How do you actually go ahead about switching it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is grab your GoPro MAX2 and then go ahead and turn it on. And then once it's on, we're going to go ahead and slide to where it says video. And what you're actually going to do is that you're going to go ahead and swipe down. And then on the bottom right here where it says camera mode single lens, you're going to press that once and that's going to switch you to 360 mode. Now, if you go ahead and press it again, that's going to switch you between single mode and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch between 360 mode and single lens on your GoPro MAX2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.